So viewers, it's a big day in Tamil Nadu today. The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister and TVK President Vijay is all set to host leaders of parties supporting his government, both from within the coalition and also from outside. Now this meeting is scheduled for 4 p.m. today, and this is the first high-profile meeting of the allies. But there's a bigger role that Vijay seems to be eyeing in Tamil Nadu politics. Sources say that Vijay is eyeing a broader TVK-led alliance in the state. So this meeting will be held at a star hotel on the outskirts of Chennai. And among those who are expected to attend are leaders of the Congress, VCK, as well as the MDA-MK. And interestingly, all of these parties had contested and won the elections as part of the DMK-led alliance before the political realignment that brought Vijay to power. The left parties, though, are not attending this meeting because they have made it clear that they will remain with the DMK alliance while they will continue to provide outside support to the TVK government. Interestingly, there could be a big setback for the DMK because post this meeting, VCK is expected to formally announce its exit from the DMK-led Secular Progressive Alliance. Although VCK is currently part of the TVK government's cabinet, sources say that the TVK has also offered VCK a couple of mayoral posts after this local body election and 1 or 2 board member chairman posts as well. So let's take a look at who all are going to be a part of this meeting. And the numbers matter here. Remember, Vijay is also trying to stitch up a standalone majority. So let's take a look at why this meeting is very, very significant. If these allies actually decide to quit from the DMK alliance and officially join this TVK alliance that the party is looking at, it could change the numbers dramatically in the assembly without any threat of the allies ever pulling out support from the Vijay government. Now, TVK currently has 108 seats, but remember, 1 seat down with Vijay leaving his seat from Trichy East. Congress party has 5, the MDMK has 2, it is attending. There are only 2 parties that are not attending from all of this, which is the CPI and the CPIM, with 2 seats each, because they have made it clear that they will continue to be a part of the DMK alliance. That's the reason why they are not going to be attending, but their support remains for Vijay's government, because before this big meeting at 4 p.m., the partners, CPI and the CPIM, also met Vijay and went on to express their support to the government. Meanwhile, the TVK may also get some support from the ADMK. As the party faces a fresh internal crisis, the AIADMK, there could be some support coming in, and let's tell you why. SP Velumani, one of the bigwigs of the AIADMK, is also likely to resign from the assembly and quit the party. Now, this development comes amid the growing rebellion within the party. There are already 6 MLAs who have submitted their resignations. Either they've already joined the TVK or there are some who are likely to join TVK soon. Now, SP Velumani, this exit is going to be very, very crucial for the AIADMK because he is a heavyweight, somebody who has a lot of influence within not just Western Tamil Nadu region, but also within the AIADMK. So his exit would actually mean that there could be other leaders as well who could be exiting from the AIADMK. This development comes amid this talk that is also going on that many within the AIADMK are also in support of extending official support to the TVK. Now remember, there have been multiple exits from the AIADMK that we've seen over the last few weeks. Many of these leaders have already joined the TVK, or some, of course, are expected to join. Some of the leaders, including Sir Vijay Bhaskar, is also expected to join the TVK officially tomorrow. So there are leaders who have quit from the AIADMK and will be joining the TVK. Apart from that, we are told that SP Velumani is also leading a faction of leaders who believe that AIADMK should extend support to the TVK. So a lot is expected. Remember, this also comes at a time when allegations are also being leveled on the TVK, that they're indulging in horse trading. And my colleague Dharani spoke to a TVK minister on this charge. Here is what he said.
What is your response to the horse trading allegations, sir? They're telling that you're purchasing MLAs from ADMK and that you're indulging in washing machine politics.
No, not at all. This is a democracy. Anybody can come to any party. Any people can join any party. And I'm seeing The change is happening in Tamil Nadu, and they have volunteered themselves. So this is a welcoming sign.
TVK is not calling anybody to join them.
It's almost they volunteered. They come forward to join the party where it's been shown in the last 40 days. The people are welcoming the government. So on that aspect, people are joining us.
Anil, that's all we could pack for you in this edition of Southern Spice. Thank you for watching and don't go anywhere. We'll be back again tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. with all the updates.